Welcome back to my Giant Science Club. I'm Nita, and I'm going to be your host today. Today we're going to suck a balloon in a jar with science. Here's what you need. You need whatever color you want. You need one big, middle-sized, and small-sized water balloons. And you're going to need a jar and tissues and fire. You need help with adult. You need adult for this one. Only adults can use fire. Let's get started. Put a piece of tissue in your jar. Have an adult put your tissue on fire. Yes, on fire! Put your balloon on top of the jar. Wait. That was cool. No, this fire stopped. Now we're going to try the medium. Oh, it's weird. Oh. Now we're going to try the large balloon. Whoa, that's cool. Now we're going to try a tiny balloon and fit it all the way in.
Here's the science. You just used physics to suck a balloon inside of a jar. Here's how it works. When you first put your water balloon on top of the jar, the air pressure outside of the jar and the air pressure inside the jar are the same. But whenever you light the tissue, the air pressure inside the jar changes. The hot air pushes past the balloon and makes it hop and jiggle. This lets the hot air out, but it doesn't let any air from outside in, which means that the inside of the jar has a lower air pressure than outside of the jar. This low air pressure creates a vacuum and sucks your water balloon right inside your jar. That's it for today. See you next time.